SMCI stock analysis and SMCI stock prediction. In this brief and short 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do and how I'm going to trade. I'm the only guy in this space that has done 40,000 videos and has proof of everything, so I've seen what's making me money and what's not. Ultimately, Supermicro computer stock is a decent 6% increase in price. Not much, but at least I'm seeing the shift, right? That's the biggest kind of factor there. I mean, it's taken me 5 years to come to this point, and you can see how much also receipts I've got in my Discord server as well. SMCI, a lot, and I'm here to tell you that first breaks happened, so that's Gucci. Waiting for the second one, and if that does happen, like the swing idea obviously is going to be long, and then intraday trades can still be involved on the long side. That's exactly how I'm going to play this, but obviously keeping you updated since the rules are still not met. If you want to stay tuned and want to learn how I'm making 5 to 10k per month trading without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails. Goodbye and enjoy.